So one thing that's important when you're starting digital marketing is knowing your why. I knew my why so instinctively from the very beginning because it runs deeper than just me. So hi, for those who are new here, my name is Tracy and I'm a digital marketer. I'm restarting my digital marketing journey and I'm so excited to take you with me on this journey. So my why for starting digital marketing is a number of different things. Not very good things, not very happy things, but things that happened that pushed me in the direction of digital marketing. So back in 2018, I had a car accident where I broke my knee. But the doctors were very positive and just said it will recover by itself, it will regrow, so I'll be fine, no surgery needed. So I continued working. I worked in corporate. And in 2020, we all know the horror that was COVID that happened. In 2020, my parents, that are 76 and 70 at this age now, sold our family home so as to buy a smaller property. And the person that they sold their home to was actually a fraud, and this person disappeared with all the money. Right? Their agent disappeared with all the money. We went to the police, we went everywhere we could go, no one could assist us, and we ended up essentially homeless, right? All the financial responsibility and all the financial strain became mine, and I had to carry my family on one salary, right? That was not the worst. At the end of 2020, I suffered a severe stroke that has caused me some damage to my memory and my ability to focus. So sometimes I look like I'm here and sometimes I won't, but this kind of just happens, and that's because of the stroke that I suffered. And so from there on, it went quite downhill because I couldn't continue my corporate job. They didn't want to keep me, or well, they told me to come back to work as they were short-staffed. So if you just do the math on that and you go, someone just had a stroke, they just lost their home. They have more responsibilities and you're not willing to help them, but you're telling them to come back to work with the same little salary. Yeah, was not going to happen. I resigned and took my package, which took a while to come, but the next day I started working at a call center. But then I realized immediately that I was really too sick. I was on medication, I wasn't able to keep awake, and I had to resign after 1 month. The motto or the reason for me telling you my why is that is your drive. That is what keeps you going. That is the things that push you in the direction of wanting better for yourself. Because if you get stuck where you are, you might never recover from it. I know my why. There's many things that add to my why. There is my son that I had to take out of private school and put him in public school where he ended up being bullied. Right? Where half the school year they're sitting and doing nothing because the school year's over in South Africa and his school books are not even half written in. That is a very big difference for me because the life I envisioned for my son and the life that I ended up living completely different. So this is my why with digital marketing, and it's very possible with digital marketing because all you have to do is apply yourself. Want the knowledge, apply yourself, learn step by step videos that are given to you. Having a lifetime mentor, having the big mentor that created the program also one-on-one mentor you, being taught how to do what they did within digital marketing to change their lives all the way around. So that is my why, and I want you to think about what exactly is your why and why you are where you are now. How willing are you to stay there? And if you want to join me on this journey, because I want to take moms and dads, grannies and grandpas, young kids from where they are into a new reality, because all of us deserve what we want in life and not having to settle for what we can afford. So if you're ready and you would like to get to know more, there is a link in my bio. It's not yet clickable. Or comment me and I will send you more information in the comments. Have a great day, guys.